Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna go through a really amazing app which is called Moises, the musician's app. This ant is going viral on TikTok and it's really amazing. So what it does, you can take any song and then you can remove vocals and instruments from any song. This app uses AI audio separate tracks using artificial intelligence, smart metronome and audio speed changer, AI key detection and pitch changer. Chord detection, playlist, you can organize playlists and for practice. And then there is Moises web app. That's basically how it works, the main idea. So people are always looking for this app to remove voice, like voice remover app. That's what people are searching for. So for example, if you have some song and you want to just have like the song without the voice, you can just use this app and do that. And it's really good. The quality is amazing and it's getting better and better because it's using AI. And so people are actually quite happy with this app. So let's just open it up and I will show you just around like how it works, so you are not scared if you just downloaded this app and you don't need to spend like 1 hour to figure it out. Here's the app. Recently they added a new feature, so if you tap on the plus, now you can add media from your device's gallery. So you can tap on your camera roll and you can upload videos from your camera roll. So here I just have some videos, and if you have some music videos, of course you always need to think about copyright, how you're gonna use all of it, and so you don't have any issues. But you have some video, like music video, and then you can use it to remove sound. You can also add media here, and also from iTunes, from Files app. But you need to know here are the supported files like MP3, WAV, FLAC, M4A, MP4, MOV, WMA. So that's basically how it works. So now you have songs here. I will just show you how it works because I already uploaded some music. So here's some music. You can select like different elements. You can adjust left or right. And then here the first part is vocals. So you can decide if you want to remove that or not. Then there are drums. So I remove drums, I can remove guitar, I can remove everything else and just leave guitar and drums. So maybe you hear that or maybe not. And it's doing pretty great job. And then if you are happy with that track, you can export it as you have like either audio mix. I think audio mix is basically what you created, your current mix. Or you can just export all separate tracks depending, like what you can export separately, drums, guitar, and then other, and then you can enable it like this just by tapping. So that's also pretty cool. Here you can adjust left, right, I guess. And also the cool feature is that you can see chord charts here automatically for you. So that's also amazing. If you don't know all the charts, it automatically recognizes them, and then you can, play on the piano or guitar and use them in the, you just want to figure out what are charts in some song, some popular song, you can try it out here. Then there are song settings. You can add some counting, you can trim the song, display charts or not, and then you can enable play song on repeat. So these are simple settings. You can enable metronome or not. and metronome and chord detection are limited to 1 minute for free users. So that's that. Yep, so that's basically the idea. That's the app, that's the main functionality. You can also then create new playlists. You can create playlists and just organize your songs in a better way here, so that can be helpful. Then there is your account. You can upgrade to premium. So what you get here, unlimited uploads, unlimited metronome, unlimited chord detection, unlimited pitch changer. I don't know what is pitch changer. Songs up to 20 minutes, 5 instrument separation, faster sound processing, and all of that. So yearly $39.99 per year and monthly $3.99 per month. $39.99 is pretty awesome for this kind of tool. On your mobile, you can work with a lot of amazing, tracks, and it's quite powerful software. There is no free trial. So that's that. What else is here? You can invite friends. You can see what's new here on their blog. So recently they just, so you can always read their website. You can delete your account if you want. You can see the usage this month. And yeah, so that's and then free app storage device. You can upload songs from this device, and this action will not delete songs from your account or other devices. So you can also try to do this setting. There's also this automatic download. Probably that's what fills up your device. So with all these audio editing and video editing apps, if you're using them a lot, you will see in your settings app that they can fill up your iPhone storage pretty fast. If you use iMovie app or Moises app or Splice, video editor, can really become in gigabytes and tens of gigabytes of storage. So just make sure to do that. You can you can set up some goals where all the actions, all the features which you can produce here. I will show you with this new feature how to upload from your camera roll. So you have some video. It's just a text video, another app description I did, but just for example to show you. And then I can upload this MOV file, and basically here in a free version I can divide in 4 tracks: vocals, drums, bass, and others. That's 4 tracks. Vocals, instrumental, that's 2 tracks. Vocals, background vocals, instrumental, 3 tracks. Vocals, drums, bass, guitar, other 5 tracks. Vocals, drums, bass, piano, other 5 tracks. Vocals, drums, bass, strings, and other 5 tracks. So in order to have all this track selection and more advanced options, you just need to upgrade. So that's what it is. There is no other way to do it in this app. And then if you're using iCloud, you can, if you have Files app and store some files there, you can just use from there. You can connect your Google Drive, Dropbox, and more. Here is just my file, and also get iTunes. So that's basically it. And then on the first tab you just have a songs and playlist. In a nutshell, that's what this app is doing. You can always delete tracks from here like that. So just select tracks and then just delete them. And this app is really going in top charts. It's become really better and better. They're training their algorithm, and the quality is really amazing. I could never imagine that on your phone you can really achieve this kind of almost studio level editing. And for a regular listener, that these people just won't recognize that you just did it with your phone. Of course, I'm not a professional producer and stuff like that, but definitely for a beginner, if you're DJing, you creating tracks, this is one of the apps you definitely need to check out. And as you can see, I'm doing a lot of stuff for free. I didn't upgrade yet. I just tried a few tracks here and there to see where it goes, and it works really well. Especially it works great when yeah, you separate voice and yeah, you have the background music working really well. So that's that. Hope it is helpful. Thank you for watching. Check out my website mrhack.io. Please put a like for this video so more people can discover this video. It will be super helpful to grow my channel, and see you in the next videos.